Hi. Today's topic is how to transition to powder from carving skiing. It was not an easy transition for me at all, and that is exactly why I decided to talk about it. Maybe there are others in the same boat, those who are comfortable carving on the groomed run, but experiencing some problems in powder. This will be a series of episodes based on my personal experience, what worked for me, and the most crucial things to address. There are millions of important things in skiing, but some of those are primary and some are secondary. I will be talking about the primary things that I had to address in order to transition from carving to powder. See, I started skiing in 1971. It was a long time ago and very different world, skiing no exception. I learned to carve somewhere around 1977 and my role model was Ingemar Stenmark. I even had the same skis, Green Elan Impulse. The length was 198 or 203 and of course it was a straight ski. Today carving technique is very different. It uses full advantage of new carving skis. Regardless, it is very easy to transition from old carving technique towards a new one. It is a very different story when it comes to transitioning from carving to powder, no matter if it is old school carving or new school carving. Of course, if you ski like this guy in red jacket on your screen right now, it is a different story. He is skiing powder, but he is also carving. For him, there was no transition, it all came naturally to him. Maybe the fact that he started skiing at the age of 8 in real mountains 25 days a season helped him? Perhaps. But if you are a mere mortal like me, this way of carving in the powder, virgin or broken or in the crud, is not advisable, and to be honest, probably not achievable. So if you're skiing like him, you don't need to watch this video. For the rest of us, I hope this video series will be useful. Coming back to my skiing story, things were going really good, so good that I even moved to Canadian Rockies and I heard the phrase, the most fun with your clothes on. I heard it many times and I decided to check if there is indeed some truth behind it. However, all my limited attempts to try the powder skiing ended in an instant disaster. The expectation was that I am so good at carving and it should be an easy adjustment, but it always ended very fast, in upside-down position, and next 15 minutes were dedicated to extracting melting snow from all the nooks and crannies. In short, I was denied all the pleasure. Also, if you ski only on the weekends, you actually see very little powder. Because, let's face it, snowfalls are very rare events, and even if it happens, it usually happens the day you cannot ski, unless you are on permanent standby. Within the resort, the powder is destroyed in an hour. But most importantly, powder skiing has very little in common with your carving skills. And again, I am talking about an average Joe. In fact, all your carving muscle memory is a mistake from the viewpoint of powder skier. Likewise, the powder technique is a joke in the eyes of a carver. Those are two different sports. Also, you unquestionably saw beautiful deep powder instructional videos performed by the world-class skier where he says something to the tone that, oh, powder skiing is not that much different from the piste skiing. Again, for the world-class skier this may be true, but for a mere mortal like me, nothing can be further from the truth. The statements like this only create unreasonable expectations, which naturally lead to some disappointments. In 2003, I decided to address this seriously. It took me probably a good 10 years to transition. With the knowledge I have now, this would be much faster. I hope that some of my advice and experience will be helpful for some who want to repeat this journey. The topic is big enough, so it won't fit in a single clip. There will be a series of episodes. Currently I'm thinking about 8 episodes. Please read the video description with the list and stay tuned, or click a subscribe button to see new episodes as they appear. Right now you are watching the first episode naturally. It is just an overview of things to come. Also, there will be no music in my videos. Sorry about that. Also, please read the description for important disclaimer and about comments and questions. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be a story about my skis, width, rocker, and what skis work for me, and most importantly, why. And if you like the video, please click the subscribe button. Your subscribing click will go a long way. Thank you.